Now, let's make a cell. First, I need a cell membrane to keep things out that I don't want and let things in that I do want. Next, a nucleus, the command center of the cell. Next, some mitochondria to provide some much needed energy for my cell. Some Golgi apparatus for proteins and lipids. And endoplasmic reticulum for proteins and lipids as well. Some lysosomes to clean up things we don't want from our cell. And some cytoplasm to basically stop our cell from squishing. Great! Now make your own cell and send in a picture so I can see how you did.
MCA, Science, Chess, English.